Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the Ashley Tisdale fabulous look on Dress to Impress. Well, the Sharpay Evans. I'm just going to remove everything except for the hair. I did use like a top model item, but you can just replace it with, I actually don't know what you can replace that with. Maybe like a jacket or something to be like the kimono. Select this hair and color it blonde in the half front toggle. Position the Z at 0.55. Then I also used this new hair in blonde without any adjustments made. Then for the outfit, I did use these. These are not the exact same, but I think they're just like cute, I guess, for this. Then I used this in white, and then this in white, and then the drawstrings in white as well. Then I used this top model item in this pattern here, in this pink, and then this pink again in the ribbon tie. Then for the shoes, I did also use a VIP item, and then for the earrings too. I used these for the shoes. I know hers are more like a sandal, but these are the most similar ones. And I also used these hoop earrings in white. And that is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.